tiring.
Yeah, you might want to take a break. How'd you get that far without going in? That's amazing.
You're actually lined up pretty good.
So you're just going to turn your wheel straight and go for it, I guess, huh? This is going to be awesome.
Left leg is so far back. Looks like we're gonna miss our little pre-planned course.
No, just turn to the right a little as soon as you get rolling. You'll be all right. Let her roll and then keep it steady. As soon as that back wheel gets down where your front one is, get some power on, man. You're making me nervous, damn it. Go for it, dude. You can't go that slow. Faster, no, the power. No, you forgot to put the power on. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. You're gonna have to dismount and push here, hold on. Hey, Andre, what happened to getting on the power at the bottom of the hill?
Yes.
You forgot to put on the power till you got in there, man. That's not working. Can you grab that back and right there. All right, this was gonna. Okay, this is gonna require somebody with throttle. Hold on. Hold on. Have you thrown in the towel yet? Did you say uncle?
Never!
Oh, almost. Yeah, give it that little rocking thing. All right, hold on.
You gotta rock.